एक्सटेंसिव एग्जॉस्टिव स्टडी सेशंस आपको बहुत अकेला फील करवा सकते हैं. यू आर सिटिंग एंड putting all your day studying, trying to make sure that you are able to achieve the needed targets, you are able to reach to the target of achieving the right number of marks so that you clear out and you can live the life you're supposed to live. But उस पूरे के पूरे सर्कल के बीच में एक बहुत बड़ा जो प्रॉब्लम है वो है बर्नआउट आना. वो बर्नआउट बार बार आता है. आप सैचुरेट होते हैं, आप पढ़ते हैं, पूरा दिन लगे रहते हैं, 12 घंटे लगा रहे हैं, 14 घंटे लगा रहे हैं. कोई दिन ऐसे भी जाते हैं जब आप बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ पाते, अकेलापन फील होता है और साथ में एक बहुत अजीब सी फ्रिक्शन भी होती है और कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन लाइफ की दिख रही होती है कि while you are studying and sitting just by yourself, not enjoying, not going anywhere, आपके relatives, आपके friends, आपके कोई भी दोस्त कहीं ना कहीं enjoy कर रहे हैं, कोई trips पे जा रहे हैं, कोई खाना खाने जा रहे हैं, कोई पार्टीज में जा रहे हैं, वीकेंड्स पे, वीकडेज में भी, and you not even on one day in a week may be going anywhere, and this definitely can cause a burnout. This can make you feel like you are overdoing it. But then look back and try to understand you have chosen this for a reason. You have chosen to become much better than many people. You have chosen to become a better version that is possible than many others. So that will need the kind of grind and sacrifice जो आज आप कर रहे हैं. लेकिन उस sacrifice को करते हुए there is a very strong possibility कि आपको अचानक बहुत ज्यादा you will feel that nothing is making sense. You will feel that all the effort that you have done may never be rewarded. But let me tell you something. What is really important for you to understand is कि आप इसी तरह से इस चीज को समझना शुरू करें कि अगर आप अकेले हैं, आप साथ में किसी के नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, you need to have a person who connects with you. You need to on an everyday basis have someone with whom you have a certain kind of communication with respect to what you're studying. चाहे वो एक mentor हो, चाहे वो एक friend हो, चाहे वो एक senior हो, चाहे वो एक same आपके साथ की stream में पढ़ रहा है. But then this is needed. Do that. And also, very importantly, you will feel कुछ भी sense नहीं कर रहा है, आप घंटों बैठ के पढ़ रहे हैं और उससे कोई outcome नहीं निकल रहा है. These days will come and these days happen only because there is no discipline sometimes. There is no push sometimes. The motivation does not exist. You are not taking as many breaks so that you can feel a little better. तो वो equilibrium जो है वो establish नहीं होता है. And sometimes when you're connected with people, that equilibrium starts to happen. You feel satisfied, happy within. Despite everything happening around you, you still feel more focused, and that is needed. एक structural way of study के साथ what is very important is some support mechanism being there. For that, what we did is, तो आपको जब लग भी रहा होगा कि आप बहुत कुछ miss out कर रहे हो, let me tell you something. You're not missing out on anything. This is exactly what you have chosen, and this will need the kind of effort that you are doing.